Hey guys, this is Adrian Jolly, and I wanted to shoot a quick video to show you how to get started with Jing. Now, I'm going to show you how to go and find the app to download. I'm going to go to Google, type in, you can either type in Jing here. I'm going to type it in the box. Okay, and so it will pop up. Usually, it is your first search result. It's by a company called TechSmith, and it is a free application that will, you can share your screen, or you can share images, snip images. It's a real cool little application that you can download for free, and you can download it by clicking on this button right here. I already have downloaded it, so I'm not going to go through that part of it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and open up Jing. I'm going to go back to my Facebook page. Open up Jing. Here it is right here. It's a little yellow circle usually on your desktop. I have a Mac, so go to your launch pad and it's a little round yellow icon. And when it opens up, it will open up, on one side of your screen. And this is what it looks like. I can pull it out. It looks like a sun. And you can move this anywhere on your screen. See, it stuck to that side. It's not like in the top of the screen. I've already tried to do that. But see, it's in the way of the scroll bar on that side. So usually I put it on my left side. So there it is. You can see it. And when you hover like towards the center of that sun, the little points will go out with the functionality, and I'm going to go ahead and make that pop out. So you saw what I did. I just clicked on the little gearbox, and the whole application opens up on top of your screen. So that's what you will click when you're done, and it'll take it right back over to the side. If you need to send feedback, you can set your preferences here, change your email address, all that good stuff. Set your video format, audio input if you need to do that. If you wanted to launch on startup, I think I'm having a little glitch with it right now. It's blinking, but we're going to still keep moving forward. So that's your preferences. If you need help, the Jing Help Center, you can, if you want to, little something you want to see how to do it, a little if something you want to do and you want to see if you can do it with the application, you can click there. And when you want to quit the application altogether, you can hit this right here. But I'm not done, so I'm just going to click, well, I'm not finished, so I'm just going to click done so that it'll go back to the side of the screen. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go to our Facebook group. I'm going to show you how I get social proof photos. I'm going to go ahead and go through the whole process. So I'm going to go to our secret Facebook group. And my computer is running really slow, guys, and running really funny, so I do apologize. Okay, so here's a great proof post. I'm going to go ahead and like it. A great proof post here. This is Marquise, and he's made $300 profit while laying in the delivery room with his girlfriend. Wow. So this is one I'm gonna go ahead and grab. So I'm going to hover over my little Jing sun, and its little points are going to stick out. I'm going to click on capture. I will go ahead and show you this as well. This is the history, and it's going to show you everything that you've clipped or videos that you have decided to capture. Okay, but right now I'm going to go ahead and use the capture. Click on it, and you see these little crosshairs. I'm going to take it up to the blue so you can see it. The little crosshairs there. What you're going to do is line that up to what you want to capture, and you're going to snip it like this. Well, you're going to line it up like this and drag it across. Okay, and then I'm going to capture the image. Okay, so if I wanted to, I can create arrows, and so you have that already. I always do that wrong. Hold on for a second. Whatever you want to, point an arrow to, you're going to start and aim it towards whatever it is I'm gonna make a little short arrow there. Okay. Well, that one's not. Let's try it again. Okay. So there's my arrow. Okay, you can do that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my website. Well, I'm not gonna put it there. Hold on for a second. Yeah, hit the text because this is text. This is a frame. Like if you want to put a school, like a little frame around something. Um, this is your highlight if you want to highlight something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my website. I'm going to go ahead and do it here. Okay. We'll move it over. Move it over. I'm going to shrink it a little bit. Let me see. Oh, it didn't like that. Hold on for a second. There it is. And you can make it smaller, which I'm going to do. I want to cover over a little bit. Resize it. Okay. And now I'm going to just take it and move it right here. Okay. I'm going to undo that. Okay. So that's what I want there. Okay. So now I'm going to save it. So here's your buttons here. You can save it via screencast. Screencast is what I'm using to tape my screen right now. So you can save it via screencast, or then that's usually for videos. I'm going to save it to my hard drive. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. And that's if I want to copy it. And that's if I want to just cancel out. And that's if I want to customize my button. So I want to save it. Okay. So I'm going to save it to my pictures. I can leave that. Name it example. Okay, and it's going to probably save it to my images. Okay, so it's been saved. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead because I like to block out the last names and everything. So you could stop there if you want to. But since I like to block out the last names, I'm going to go ahead. I have Paint. This is the Paint 2 that I use on Mac. You can also use Microsoft Paint. It works the same way. So what I want to do is open it up. Okay, I'm going to open up my image. Bear with me, I gotta find it now. Okay, here it is. So I'm gonna open my image, and there it is. So now what I want to do, because I'm gonna go ahead and redact the name. Redact means just cover the name. So I'm gonna go ahead and I think it's already set up. Go ahead and cover the name. And what I use is the rectangle. On PC, you would go up to the top bar. You'll see shapes, and you would pick the rectangle shape, and you would set the color to white so that way you can white it out. But this is for Mac, but you can also do this on PC. It's just a little bit different. And I'll do a video once I have my PC back up and running. I'll also do a version for PC. But only thing you would do is you would on PC, I'm gonna try to describe it. You would just use your toolbar and you would pick the color. You will pick the I'm sorry, you will pick the shape, which will be like a rectangle or whatever shape you want to cover it with, and then you would click on the little fill bucket and you would change the color, which would be like they have like a little color palette in the toolbar. And you would click on the white one, and it would also be the first color that you would pick, because they always usually have two selections of colors. It would be the first or the second color. It doesn't matter, but you can pick both of them as white or whatever, just to be able to get your, your white to fill in right here. So there you go. See how that looks? I can also do it again. And also do it again here just to cover it up. See? And see how neat that looks? Okay, and I already have my, I can also put my text here if I wanted to, just click text, but I already did it. I did it in Jing. So that is pretty cool. In Jing, you can also create arrows. Let me see if it kept my picture. I hope it, well, I can go back and open it up. But that is my snippet. So what I will do is just go ahead and save it. And that is my proof post. How cool is that? Okay. And that's just me saving it. Okay, and that's my proof post, and that's how you create a proof post. I want to show you something else. I thought I had showed it to you, but I didn't. I'm going to reopen this back up, and I'm going to show you another little simple thing that you can do also with Jing. You can create arrows, and I like to do that. And what you will do, I would like to do that because it will highlight certain things in your picture. So only thing you're gonna do is aim it towards wherever you want the arrow to highlight, and point it towards it. Like if I wanted to, and I should have done that on the other one, but that's okay. I'm still showing you how to create the arrows, and let it go. And you could save it just like that. And see, this is my other version of the picture. See how it saved it? And it has the arrow pointing to the $300. So you can do that as well. Have arrows pointing. If you're wondering how people have the pictures and they have the little arrows, this is what they're using is Jing. Okay, so I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments for me, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. If this is on YouTube and you still have questions about Jing, go ahead and reach out to me on Facebook. I will also put my Facebook link down there, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. So thank you so very much for taking the time to look at my video. If you liked it, please go ahead and click like. If you want more tips and tricks about time management, business, all kinds of good things, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So thank you again and have a wonderful day. Bye.